Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft Prithiva Topaz Gemstone in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for a crafting table, like this one right here in Mondstadt. Go near it, and then press F on your keyboard, like so. Here are all the items you can craft in this crafting table. Here search for Prithiva Topaz Gemstone, which is right over here. Click on it. As you can see, the crafting materials required are 3 of Prithiva Topaz chunk. If you have these in your inventory, just click on this craft button on the bottom right side of your screen. As you can see, it's gonna cost 2700 mora to craft this. Press on confirm and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!